Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Eyebrows can make a huge difference to your overall appearance, and brow pencils have been game changers in the brow game. So whether you're looking to perfect your arch or fill in the gaps, brow pencils are a quick and easy way to get your brow game on point. So here are my top 5 eyebrow pencils tried and tested by me. So the first brow pencil which I'm going to use is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Retrackable Brow Pencil. It comes in 3 shades and it's mostly cool toned. The tip is angled and it has a triangular shape, so you might take some time to figure how to use it correctly. But once I did, I actually found the formula to be a little waxy, so it smooths and tames my brows and keeps them that way for pretty much the entire day. The shape has also held up pretty well even after using it a few times. Since the tip is a little blunt, I would use this with a skinnier pencil to do the tail of my brows sometime, but then otherwise it's a total win for me. So the Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Duo Shaper has a sponge applicator on one side and a pencil applicator on the other. It's easy to work and blend the product in with the sponge applicator. With the pencil applicator, you just have to make sure you go light. Just 2 to 3 swipes and you get a lot of pigment on. I would highly recommend this brow pencil for beginners. The third brow pencil which I have is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. It comes with a pencil applicator on one side and a spoolie on the other. Plus it comes in 8 different shades, so it's really easy for you to find the right shade for yourself. It has a really soft and smooth texture and requires only a few strokes. It glides on very easily and has a great color payoff. You barely feel like there's anything on. It easily lasts for the entire day and comes off in one swipe. This one again is from Wet n Wild and is from the color Icon range. Unlike the Ultimate Brow Pencil, this one does not have a triangular tip. It looks like a pencil. It has a really soft and smooth finish to it, but does not feel very thick or cakey. The color payoff is nice enough and you can build this product to add more depth. The pencil is not super creamy, it can be sharpened very easily, but it does crumble a little if you put too much pressure. You can also use it to line your eyelids and also as a base for your other eyeshadows. This works great for your day wear and office wear. So the last one I have is the Faceas Canada Ultime Pro Brow Defining Pencil. It has a spoolie on one end and a pencil on the other, but it comes in only one shade, which is light grey, and it's slightly disappointing because of the fact that it won't work for every skin tone. The consistency of the product is very creamy and glides on easily with the help of a brush. So this pencil works really well for thin brows, but then if you're looking for bushy eyebrows, I'm afraid this might not work. So these were my top 5 picks under Rs 500. Let me know what do you think in the comment section below. And just in case you were wondering, this pouch is from POPxo shop. We also have notebooks, tote bags, laptop scales and a lot more. Click on the link in the description box below to check them out. And for more makeup tips and tricks, tune in to POPxo Beauty.